Hello everyone and welcome back. Two music players, two very different ideas of what a great portable player should be. Today we're finding out which one is actually worth your money. The FiiO JM21 launched in early 2025 and cost about $200. The Sony NW-A306 Walkman came out in 2023 and sits at about $350. That's a $150 gap. And how you feel about that gap will probably decide which one you should pick. Let's break it down. Starting with how they look and feel. The JM21 is slim and light, just 156 grams. The front is aluminum, the back is plastic, and the whole thing is about the size of a modern phone. It feels solid and it comes with a clear case right out of the box. The Sony NW-A306 is even lighter, just 113 grams, and it's built with a full aluminum frame. It's also smaller than a deck of cards. It looks and feels premium. If build quality matters to you, the Sony wins this round by a small margin. Now the big one. How do they sound? The JM21 packs two DAC chips inside, dual Cirrus logic chips, which is rare for a $200 player. It has a warm, wide sound with powerful bass and a big soundstage. It can also drive even harder to push headphones with ease, putting out up to 700 milliwatts of power from its balanced output. Reviewers say it sounds like a player that costs far more. The Sony uses its own S-Master HX digital amplifier, a Sony design that skips the usual DAC chip setup. The sound is clean, smooth, and natural. It truly shines when you play high-quality audio files, but if you mostly stream at normal quality, it won't blow you away. You'd be better off with a decent phone. Both sound great, but for the raw price, the JM21 gives you more raw performance and more headphone driving power. Both run Android, so you can install Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, whatever you use. The JM21 runs Android 13 with a Snapdragon 680 chip. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0 with LDAC and aptX HD, a micro SD card slot, and both a 3.5mm and a 4.4mm balanced output. You can also plug it into your computer and use it as an external sound card. The interface is fast and easy to use. The Sony NW-A306 runs Android 12, and honestly, some reviewers find it sluggish. The interface can be slow, and setting it up feels like configuring a phone rather than a music player. It also has only a 3.5mm output, no balanced option. That's a real downside at this price. On the plus side, Sony includes DSEE Ultimate, an AI tool that makes compressed music sound better in a real time. That's a nice touch. When it comes to battery life, this is where the Sony pulls way ahead. The NW-A306 lasts up to 36 hours on a single charge. That's outstanding for a music player. The JM21 gets around 12 to 16 hours depending on which version you have. That's still decent for a $200 device, but it's nowhere near Sony's numbers. If long battery life is your top priority, then Sony wins this category easily. So, which one should you buy? Get the FiiO JM21 if you want the best sound performance for your money. It's loaded with features, easy to use, powerful enough for serious headphones, and costs $150 less. For most people, it's the smarter buy. Get the Sony NW-A306 if you want something that feels and looks premium, you love that iconic Walkman brand, and battery life is a big deal for you. Both are great, but for dollar, the JM21 just gives you more. Drop your pick in the comments, FiiO or Sony, and if this video helped you out and helped you decide, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.